Friends, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking second standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 5, Home Alone. Home Alone. How would you feel if you are alone in the house and it is a dark outside? Would you be afraid? So students, how would you feel if you are alone at house and no one is in the house and it is dark outside? Would you be afraid? So let's read the story Home Alone. It was dark and stormy night. It was alone at home in bed when I saw a scary shadow of a figure at my window. So it was a dark and stormy night. Dark and stormy night means violent night. It was a dark and violent night. It was alone at home in bed. This is the story of a little boy who was alone at home. When I saw a scary shadow of a figure at my window. What did the boy saw? The boy alone at home. He was in his bed. See here in this picture you can see here he is in the bed. Then he saw the scary shadow of a figure at my window. What the boy saw? Boy saw the scary means frightening shadow of a figure at my window. He saw something scary shadow of a figure at my window. Who's there? I shouted. Now boy shouted. Who's there? Who's there at window? Boy shouted. Suddenly there was a flash of lightning followed by a clap of thunder. Suddenly what happened? Suddenly there was a flash of lightning. Flash of lightning means to shine brightly for a very short time. Suddenly what happening? Some lights shined brightly for very short time, followed by a clap of thunder. Some lights, some flash of lightning shine brightly for a very short time. So the boy was very scared. Boy was very scared because he was alone at home. He was in his bed. Then he saw a scary shadow of a figure in his window. Then he shouted. Suddenly there was a flash of lightning followed by a clap of thunder. I saw a lion's face followed by a scary thunderous roar at the window. What the boy saw? The boy saw a lion's face followed by scary thunderous means he saw at his window. He saw the face of lion followed by scary thunderous roar at the window means very thunderous means very loud. He saw the lion's face which was followed by very loud roar at the window. I felt scared and pulled my blanket over my head. Now the boy felt very scared. Scared means afraid. Now he was very afraid. So what he do? He pulled his blanket over his head. I started to shout for my parents, but then remembered they were at the hospital visiting a sick relative. Now what the boy saw? Boy saw the lion's face followed by thunderous roar at the window. He was very afraid. Then he pulled his blanket over his head. He started to call his parents. He started to shout to his parents. But then he remembered that his parents were went to the hospital for visiting a sick relative. For visiting sick relative, his parents were at the hospital. He was alone at the home. He was alone at the home. No one is in the house and his parents were at the hospital visiting to sick relative. Then I heard footsteps which were loud at first but then faded away. Then what happens? He heard some footsteps, he heard some voice of footsteps. First it was very loud, then but then faded away. Faded away means gradually softened and then stopped. He suddenly heard the footsteps, but it was very loud first, then it was softened, then it was suddenly stopped. The grandfather clock struck 12. The grandfather's clock was stuck at the 12. I went back to bed and tried to sleep. What the boy do? Boy went back to his bed and tried to sleep, but was too scared to do so. But he was very much afraid. So after some time passed, I fell asleep finally. After some time, he fell asleep. Now he slept. I did not know when my parents came back. Now finally he slept and he don't know when his parents came back to home. I woke up the next morning and narrated the whole incident to my parents. Now he don't know. He was finally slept. He don't know when his parents came back. Finally, next he woke up next morning and narrated the whole incident. What at the night time happened. He Next morning he woke up and what he do? He narrated the whole incident. What the boy felt, he narrated whole incident. What was happened with him, he told to his parents. He narrated the whole incident to his parents. They were shocked and decided not to leave him alone at home in future. So what his parents were decided, they were shocked by hearing all this incident happened with the boy. They were shocked, so they decided next time never to leave him alone in future, never to leave him alone at home in future. So students, hope you understood the lesson Home Alone. Now it's time to take the homework. Write all the keywords from the lesson Home Alone, page number 37 and 38. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.